friends, this is Jishnu Yadav. I am a student of Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering and I am with a nice topic in the subject called waste management, and the topic is Indian and global scenario of e-waste. Let us go into the topic. First, what are the contents in the topic? First, introduction and what is e-waste and Indian scenario. In Indian scenario, generation of e-waste, e-waste management rules, informal sector, formal recycling infrastructures, awareness and initiatives. In and global scenario. In global scenario, increasing e-waste generation, e-waste regulations, international collaboration, e-waste recycling technologies, environmental and health concerns. And then conclusion. Introduction. E-waste is growing concern in India and worldwide. This presentation will explore the good, the bad and the ugly aspects of this issue. And in its introduction is nothing but e-waste is sincerely growing day by day in our country, in every country. And India is one of the most populated countries, so the increment of e-waste is also more. And what is e-waste? E-waste is refers to discarded electronic devices such as smartphones, laptops and TVs. These devices contains the toxic substances that can pollute our environment and also also the health issues of human beings. Indian scenario. In Indian scenario, first one is the generation of e-waste. India is one of the world's largest producer of e-waste. Yes, India is one of the largest producer of e-waste and number one country in the population also. Where there is a more population, everything is more in that country, and e-waste is also more in India. The amount of large population, the growing consumer market for electronic devices. Second one is e-waste management rules. In 2016, the Indian government introduced the e-waste management rules to address the growing e-waste problems. These rules regulate collection, recycling, and disposal of e-waste. In e-waste management rules, there is nothing but in 2016, India has launched the e-waste rules, how to collect, how to dispose, and how to recycle the e-waste. So we should follow, and we are following till now. Informal sectors. A significant portion of waste in India is handled by informal sectors. A small scale recycling practices are done in the informal sectors, and the unsafe methods leading to environmental and health hazards for workers. And for who are working there, it is very unsafe for working there because due to the lack of proper protective measures, they are not the good proper and good measures they are taking to protect themselves. Okay, next one, fourth, formal recycling infrastructure. India has made efforts to establish formal recycling infrastructures. Yes, India had made efforts, and till now also they are making good and better ways to build the infrastructure techniques in India. Next one, awareness and initiatives. Several awareness campaigns and initiatives have been launched in India. Several awareness programs are done in India to get the people educated about what is e-waste and how to control e-waste and how to dispose the e-waste and how to recycle the e-waste, etc. You can see in the slide the current scenario in India. Mumbai at the present top the list. Yes, Mumbai is one of the most population state in our India, and Mumbai, Delhi, Bangalore, Chennai, Kolkata, Ahmedabad, Hyderabad, Pune, Surat, etc. Global scenario. In global scenario, increasing e-waste generation. The global scenario of e-waste is also alarming. As in not only in India, in many other countries also e-waste is more and increasing day by day. You can see at the side in 2005, 9.3 million tons of e-waste is generated. In 2011, 41.5 million. In 6 years, it has a huge difference, guys. Huge difference of e-waste generated. And for every 2 years, you can see in the chart, it is in the slide. Okay, second one, e-waste regulation. Many countries have implemented e-waste regulation to address the issue. Yes, many countries have implemented the regulations and implementing now also for the better ways of rules and regulations. International collaboration. Several international collaborations, agreements, and initiatives have been established to tackle the global e-waste problem. Is some collaborations and some initiative are taken by every country, and other countries are and two countries will sign the agreement to make the betterment of less production and less generation of e-waste. E-waste recycling technologies. Different countries and organizations are investing in research and developing. Yes, many countries are investing till now and investing more amount of budget to increasing the infrastructure levels and more for increasing the dispose methods and for the recycle methods also. Environmental and health concerns. Improper handling of any waste any waste significant environmental and health risk due to the presence of hazardous substances such as lead, mercury, cadmium, and flame retardants. Yes, the hazardous materials like lead, mercury, cadmium, etc., will affect our human health and also the environmental issues we may arise. These substances can contaminate soil, water, and air, affecting ecosystem and human health. Yes, the pollution also is also more from these substances. Conclusion: e-waste is a complex issue that requires global action. Government, manufacturers, and consumers have all have a role to play in reducing e-waste. Not only government and the company, people and the consumers, even we have the role to reduce the e-waste, and we should also reduce our using electronic gadgets and electronic items, unnecessary use of electronic items. Thank you, guys. Thank you till seeing till last. Please share, subscribe, and like the channel, guys. Thank you for supporting.